Okay, so we are going to be learning about the Babylonian numeration system. This system is a sexagesimal system, which means it's base 60. So they go up to 59 before going back to 60. This can be shown by using these two symbols. This symbol is used to count units, and this symbol here is used to count tens. So once you get to 59, to go back to 60, you just use this symbol again because it can represent 1 or 60. And the way that you would establish the difference between 1 and 60 is just based off of the context, because there was no real actual way to determine it, so they used the context to help establish the difference. So as an example, to write the number 23, you would do these two symbols, which is tens, so there's 2 tens and 3 units. Whoa, right here. Oops. Okay, so this numeration system is a positional numeration system. So that means the value of the digit depends on the digit itself and the position within the number. So that means to write the number 43, you would do your 4 tens and then your 3 units, not the 3 units and then the 4 tens, because that would be a completely different number. So to figure out 0, there wasn't an actual digit for 0, so they would just leave a space. So for example, the number 61 would be written by doing 60 here, which this represents 1 times 60. Then you would leave a big space to separate the place value, and then you would draw your 1. So that'd be 61, versus just 1 unit, which would just mean 1. The legacy of sexagesimal still survives to this day in the form of 360 degrees in a circle, 60 degrees in the angles of an equilateral triangle, and also to tell time. There are 60 minutes in 1 hour and 60 seconds in 1 minute, which is shown in this clock. Okay, so now that we've learned about the Babylonian numeration system, I'm going to go over a few practice problems. So the first problem I have is 42. So you would start off doing your 4 tens, and then you would write your 2 units. Number 2 is 34, so you would start off with 3 tens, and then you would do 4 units. So you layer them 3 at a time, so you would do your 3 units here, and then you would draw 1 unit underneath it. So then for number 3, for 9, you would do 3 at a time, so you would start off 3 units, and then you would just layer them. And those are some practice problems. And now that you guys know how to write out the Babylonian numeration system, I want you guys to do a couple on your own. So for the first question, I want you guys to do 22, number 2 is 46, and number 3 is 59. Thank you for watching.